What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make this bomb with multiple settings in under 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing we have to do is get the model. So if you have one already, go ahead and skip this part. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and grab a bomb in the toolbox. Now that you have your bomb, we're going to rename it to handle. Once you've done that, add a tool to the workspace and rename that to bomb. Now we're going to drag the handle into the bomb. Then we're going to add a script. Go ahead and copy the script in the comments. Now if you go to the top, you can see these settings. There's damage self and damage fall off, which basically means depending on how far you are is how much damage you take. And there's radius, there's damage, there's cooldown, which is how long the player waits until you can throw another bomb. And then exploding delay is like how long until it sets off. And then we have throw force and throw arc. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and drag the bomb into the starter pack. And now we can test it. And as you can see, when we click, the bomb goes towards the direction the player is facing. And that's it. You now have a fully customizable bomb tool. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and comment what you want me to make a tutorial on next. See ya!